Hey there, Sensei Mish here with another episode of Kyusho Korner. I do ask, if you're not following us already, please do so. YouTube, hit the subscribe button. Facebook, hit the like button. Really appreciate your support. So, since we're back, we're focusing on how to put the points that we've been going over the last few years and putting those into our actual martial arts. So, using them in practical application. In this episode, we're going to cover basically the first entry when it comes to our gunting, which is horizontal, vertical, and we meet resistance. So stick around and we'll show you what points that we need to use and how to deal with that resistance. All right, so we are going to do entry number 1. Bring out Thomas Lee of the world Thomas Lee. Bad joke. Okay, so I'm going to use my crimp or a trainer as always. So he comes in with that punch, I stop. I come through, and of course I'm hitting all the points that we did in the first episode, and I come around and he checks. That's my obstacle. Now, since it's just a check and my position is where I'm at, I simply just raise up, I pull this down, and then I continue through. So as he comes in, just using the same points as I did in episode 1, here, here, here. Now, I have made contact here, so there's a couple different things that I could do. I've got some type of lock. Either I'm grabbing his thumb, or here I had just grabbed his fingers. So I could take a step back and wrap that around, and we'll kind of move into this position. So I could even straighten it out, and I'm on trip warmer 11. Okay, so that's kind of taking it a little bit further. Actually, let's go this way. Okay, so he punches, I stop, I come here. He checks. I'm going to pull down, and I've got that large intestine 18. I'm using the butt right there. Okay. He doesn't really like that. Now, I could put this pretty much anywhere I want, so to speak. So I'm coming in, that base strike is going to be at the neck after I remove the check. But I'm going to, like I tell my students, hit whatever they give you. So it just depends on how he presents his face. So if he comes in and I stop and I move through and I strike here, that's fine. But then I could also, say if he turns, I could get trip warmer 17. That's going to hurt a little bit. I can get the butt up in a small intestine 18. That's not going to be great. I could come down on the mental nerve. That's going to work wonders. But here's the thing, is I'm holding steel and G10. I'm holding something hard. So if I'm striking into the neck, yeah, I'm going to do some damage. I'm going to hit a point, create pain, some type of dysfunction. That's fine. But then I start hitting into the bony areas. Trip warmer 17, I could dislodge or break that part of the jaw. I could come up and break part of the cheekbone. I could come down here, break part of the jaw. I'm having something strong. So if I come down there with a tool and I break some type of his face, I had better have a pretty good argument and be able to articulate why I did that much damage. So when it comes to the Sue Happy Society, just be prepared that if you're going to defend yourself, be able to articulate correctly why, okay? So now as we go through, here, check, here. Now I could also come down on stomach 12. Boom, he doesn't like that. I just pressed that. But then also, if we follow Bram's procedure, if we hook here, I can pull across there. He's just sucking in that air. He doesn't like that. Of course, Now I'm on trip warmer 11 and he goes down, okay? So I've got all of these different points that I can put into these techniques, okay? Now, can we do this empty hand? Yes, we can absolutely do this empty hand with the same points, okay? So let me just kind of put that away. So now, I'm not really gonna stop with the knuckles. That's gonna hurt. I mean, that's, you know, all right? So I'm not really gonna stop there, but I am going to come this way, all right? So I'm gonna fist into here, here. I'm still gonna do left over right, and I'm gonna strike, okay? I get that interrupt, I come down here, and I can do the knuckle. I can do a knuckle, I can do a knuckle, I can do a knuckle. I might even go to stomach 5, okay? With a tool, I'm not really gonna go to stomach 5. With a fist, I might go to stomach 5, okay? Boom, and I can do that same thing. If I'm striking here, or even if I come forearm onto the neck, I can then slide down and hook down. Ooh, he doesn't like that. And then I come around and there we go, okay? So I can still use those same points, all right? So say he comes in, I come here, he checks, I come here, down, 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 okay? All right? Thank you, sorry. All right, so there you have it. Entry one, using points with a tool and empty hand. Take this back to your dojo, play, have fun, and remember, always be good to your uke. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please put those in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you are not yet following me or the show on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, please do so now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the follow button, and stay tuned. We got more stuff coming for you.